ऐसे समाज में जहां अक्सर चुप्पी सच्चाई पर हावी हो जाती है। यह अभूतपूर्व पॉडकास्ट उन भारतीय पुरुषों की अनकही कहानियों को उजागर करने का साहस करता है, जिन्होंने झूठे आरोपों का सामना किया है। न्याय के लिए एक अथक आवाज विनोद तिवारी द्वारा होस्ट किया गया। पॉडकास्ट सामाजिक और कानूनी पूर्वाग्रहों से जूझ रहे लोगों के कच्चे और वास्तविक अनुभवों पर प्रकाश डालता है।
दोस्तों नमस्कार, वेलकम टू द न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ अनवीलिंग फॉल्स एलिगेशंस। बट ये जो एपिसोड है झूठे आरोपों का सच, दिस इज डिफरेंट। देयर इज नो डिबेट, देयर इज नो डिस्कशन, देयर इज नो स्टोरी। व्हाई? बिकॉज हियर आई एम गोइंग टू say something which is on a serious mode, not because of any kind of a hype or any kind of views, but here is something pure and trustworthy which I want to reveal. As you know very well कि ये जो हमारा एपिसोड है अनवीलिंग फॉल्स एलिगेशंस, दिस इज बीइंग मेड फॉर द पीपल who are suppressed, who are silent, who are actually facing the troubles by a particular society, by a particular community. And you know what? We are opening up the truth. We are opening up something which is not accepted by them. And hence the reason we have been tried to threat. You know what? In the past few days, I should say at least last 2 or 3 weeks, I have received directly and indirectly threats for stopping it immediately. And you know what? They have messaged me, they have tried to call me. Why? To stop it, to silence it, to make it a big full stop. And not only me, rather my guest who was supposed to come in the episode has been told to step down. सोचिए, मुझे नहीं बल्कि मेरे गेस्ट को भी थ्रेट मिली है। उनको बोला गया है कि आप अपना मुंह सिल लीजिए, आप इस एपिसोड में मत जाइए और आप इसके बारे में कुछ मत बोलिए। Which I want to tell you, all of you guys, कि this is happening exactly. And you know what? इन सब चीज़ों का क्या मतलब है? Hope you can understand. This all complete story means one thing, that our stories are creating some kind of an impact. And those people who are suffering because of this, they do not want it and they want to suppress it. आप समझ सकते हैं कि कौन रोकने की कोशिश करता होगा? वही जिसे दर्द हो रहा है, जिसे दिक्कत है, जिसे समस्या है। मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूं, आई जस्ट वांट टू मेंशन दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर एपिसोड इज बीइंग कैंसल्ड एंड इट्स अ पॉज। एक्चुअली इट्स अ पॉज for a time being, for a moment. Why? Because we want to do something in a responsible way. And you know why we want to make it in a responsible way? Because when lives are at risk, when things are moving not okay, so we should act responsibly. When safety is at risk, when safety matters, we want to take a pause. Why? Because ultimately this is a question of your lives. This is a question of my life. This is a question of all the male voices. So at this moment, all those things are being taken care of. All the necessary actions are being done. Authorities are working and system is also working to find it out who are those people and what exactly they want out of it. So guys, this today's episode is not going to come out because of that reason, and you can understand better that unveiling false allegation has got that impact. When something truth is coming out of the way, people do not want to listen to it. सच लोगों को कड़वा लगता है और यही वजह से यह सब कुछ हमें भोगना पड़ रहा है। तो आप समझ सकते हैं कि यह एपिसोड ने कितना इम्पैक्ट क्रिएट किया है, और पर्टिकुलरली उन लोगों के लिए जिन्होंने ये सब कुछ तांडव मचाने की कोशिश करी है। They could not be succeeded, right? So guys, just I want to say, stay alert, stay with me, be supportive, and I need your support. I need your support as well. Thank you very much. And this is a pause. We will be coming back in a big way. There are so many guests, there are so many people who want to tell out their story, and हम ये चीज को रोकेंगे नहीं चलती रहेगी हमारी लड़ाई, ये सिर्फ एक क्षण के लिए रुकना वाली बात है। थैंक यू वेरी मच। साइनिंग ऑफ, विनोद तिवारी।